Having the right flashlight to meet your lighting needs is important. That's one of the reasons Streamlight developed 3 series of lights: Tradition, High Performance HP, and our High Lumen HL lights. Each series offers a different balance of features and can be used for a variety of applications. Streamlight's Tradition series is meant for general multi-purpose use. Tradition series lights are designed for the broadest range of lighting applications at the best value. Their performance characteristics include optimal balance of candela and lumens and the longest regulated run times. Streamlight's High Performance or HP series is a good choice for downrange applications when requiring optimal beam distance, as these flashlights throw light a long distance. Our HP performance characteristics include a high candela beam, which delivers long-range lighting coupled with a bright peripheral beam. Streamlight's High Lumen or HL series gives you maximum illumination to provide full situational awareness by delivering extraordinary brightness and a wide beam pattern. These lights are ideal for smaller areas where you may need a lot of light but not an exceptionally long reach. The HL performance characteristics include a high lumen beam with a good balance of candela. They also deliver maximum illumination. Streamlight's 3 series of lights perform like no others before to help keep you safe and enabling you to see more and work more efficiently. Streamlight builds performance, period.